2012, the end of August, Saint-Pédon. Another nice sunny day. Garden looking okay. So let's see what's been happening to the train set. The track itself hasn't changed from 2011, and there are 3 trains running on 3 circuits. Here, the Thalys, the Belgian train, is running along the track. And about to come through a local station, passing a Eurostar that's trapped in the sidings. On the centre track, an old British Rail loco is pulling empty coal wagons around the sidings. And the third train, big 1940s, 1950s British Rail loco with its tender pulling Pullman wagons for passengers. So what else is new? The field has now been occupied by cows, and there are people walking through it. But next to the field, Super U have built their supermarket. At the end of a road, with the recycling, some skips, lots of cyclists accessing it through the new cycle racks. An Nissan hut which doesn't do anything in particular, and sheds. A set of roads now links Super U into the town square, where we have the town hall clock and tower, and the war memorial, which is being visited by a mistress and some of her pupils. Shopping's got a bit better, even though we only have Super U as a supermarket. We now have a kebab shop and a cinema. Next to the cinema, the bike shop. 2 other electric features that have been added. At this station, we now have an illuminated clock. And in the centre of town, we have a wind farm. A very small wind farm. And ironically powered by electricity rather than powering the set itself. There's not been a lot of wind up here, with Spitfire flying past it. So I think that's just about it. Lots more people, lots more little cyclists on the road, people walking along the road system that now goes through the town to a set of crossroads by the level crossings, and through the level crossings a road that leads past the water storage thing to the industrial area at the back of the railway shunting and the bus garage. There we go. All working. All ready for, I don't know what, block of flats, housing development. Who knows what treats there'll be next year.